Suffering from embarrassing, thick, discolored toenails? Don't worry, I'm going to share 5 powerful home remedies that can help get rid of stubborn toenail fungus for good. In this video, I will explain what exactly toenail fungus is, what causes it, and then dive into 5 effective home remedies you can use to treat it naturally. From vinegar and bleach soaks to essential oils and medicated powder, these at-home treatments can help clear up toenail fungus and prevent it from coming back without the need for prescription medications. Home remedy number 1, vinegar soaks. 1. White vinegar contains acetic acid that helps restore the proper pH levels of the toes and nails. 1. Fungus thrives in more alkaline environments. 2. The acidic nature of vinegar creates an environment where fungus cannot survive easily. 3. To do the soak, mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water. 3. Enough liquid should be used to submerge the feet. 4. Soak the infected nails for 15 to 20 minutes daily. 4. The vinegar soak will help kill fungus on the nail and the surrounding skin. 5. After soaking, make sure to thoroughly dry the feet, especially between the toes. Home remedy number 2, bleach soaks. 1. Household bleach contains sodium hypochlorite, which has antifungal and antibacterial properties. 2. It can help kill the fungus causing the toenail infection. 3. To do the soak, mix 1 part bleach with 10 parts warm water. 4. Submerge infected nail in the solution for 10 minutes daily. 5. Rinse feet thoroughly after soaking and moisturize skin to prevent dryness. Home remedy number 3, tea tree oil. 1. Tea tree oil contains terpene 4-ol that gives it strong antifungal properties. 2. It can help kill stubborn fungal nail infections when used consistently. 3. To use, dip a cotton swab in undiluted tea tree oil and brush directly over infected nails 2x daily. 4. Be sure to get under the nail as best as possible with the swab. 5. Wash hands immediately after to prevent spreading spores further. Home remedy number 4, powdered antifungals. 1. Over-the-counter medicated antifungal powders like Lotrimin AF contain active ingredients that curb fungus growth like clotrimazole and tolnafdate. 2. These agents disrupt the cell membranes of fungi, preventing them from thriving. 3. Apply the powder onto clean dry feet so they stick. 3. Get under nails as best as possible. 4. Dust the insides of shoes, socks, mats, etc. with the powder, which helps prevent reinfection. 5. May take several weeks before seeing improvements. 5. Must apply daily. Home remedy number 5, essential oils. 1. Certain essential oils like oregano oil, tea tree oil, thyme oil, and lemongrass oil contain compounds that give them antifungal properties. 2. Oregano oil contains high levels of thymol and carvacrol, 2 powerful fungicides. 3. Mix 5 to 6 drops of your chosen oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. 3. This helps dilute and spread the essential oils before applying. 4. Use a cotton pad or fingers to gently rub the oil mixture onto infected nails and surrounding skin. 5. Apply daily until fungus clears up. 5. Consistency is key. 6. Can be used safely for several months. 6. Monitor for skin reactions. Focus on natural, at-home treatments to get rid of stubborn toenail fungus. The remedies in this video may help clear up symptoms without the need for costly prescriptions.